sir. Happy 7th work anniversary.
You are the chamakta tara of our Rivango team. You are our inspiration.
You are rock star. You are so supportive. You are motivated for me. You are the hardest working person I know.
You are a great mentor.
You are the most gracious teacher I know.
You are the hero of Tudipversary. Keep rocking, sir.
Hey Lishipam, congratulations on completing 7 years in Tudip Technologies. It was such a pleasure to work with such an awesome, talented person like you. We did so much of fun in this last 7 years and hoping to continue the same in many more years. Once again, congratulate on your work anniversary. Keep up the good work. I like you very much too, and I like working with you. So keep up the good work, and yeah, we will continue to grow together in life. Happy Tudip anniversary to you.